Let's talk about what's going on. We're going to start off with Hilary, though, because that's the big story in the nation. We've got fires in the northwest. We've got a heat wave in the central part of the country. But we have a landfalling hurricane that will make it into Southern California, which that's unheard of. So let's start off first. Let's take a look at what is going on with Hilary. Hilary is now a Category 1 storm, 80-mile-an-hour winds, downgraded from a Category 4 with 145-mile-an-hour winds. But do not be deceived. Sometimes it does not matter about category size. It matters about the size, the speed, how much rain it can dump. And look how wide this is. This literally stretches out from the center of the storm, tropical storm force winds, about 250 miles. That is wider. This is wider than the state of California. So as it moves up, it is going to pose a lot of problems. It's moving very quickly to the north and northwest at about 21 miles an hour, but it's moving over the colder ocean water, and it's being ripped apart by some upper level winds. So all of that is weakening this storm. Nonetheless, it is still expected to stay a Category 1 storm for a bit longer, and then it is expected to downgrade by maybe noontime today, becoming a very strong tropical storm, the second one ever on record to ever make it into California. No hurricanes have actually done that into California. And then it will cross over later this afternoon, this evening, in through San Diego, San Ysidro, up past Los Angeles by later tonight. And then it will be into Nevada, and moisture flowing all the way up into Idaho and Oregon from this thing. In fact, there's moisture flowing that far right now. The problem is with all of this, I mean, there's always a problem with a tropical system. You have high mountains, 4,000 to 6,000-foot peaks in Baja Norte and around San Diego County, Palomar, Cuyamaca, into the San Bernardino Mountains north of Los Angeles. All of this is going to wring out the moisture. Orographic lift. The storm hits it, it rises, wrings out the moisture, floods the desert floor behind it all the way up to Las Vegas. Flooding rains coming down through these valleys, and it is really poor drainage in Southern California. So any time you see more than 2 or 3 inches of rain, it could be catastrophic. We're talking about 4 to 6, some areas as high as 10. We're talking about record rains possible for Las Vegas. You got friends going out there today? They're not going. We're talking about record rains possible in Los Angeles and San Diego, all the way up into parts of Central California. Moisture is already flowing that far north, and the storm is still almost 300 miles away. So it is pushing moisture all the way north. Now, why is this happening? Why is it taking this strange track? Strong high pressure off to the east. So you got that wind that is flowing around clockwise. Strong low pressure that is off to the west. You got the wind going counterclockwise. This system has nowhere to go but straight north through both of those, and that is exactly what it is doing. So we're going to continue to watch this. They have a risk of severe weather, a slight risk, which is so rare for Southern California, and a 5% tornado risk. We go crazy here when we have a 5% tornado risk. Spin-off tornadoes are a very real concern. So the winds are going to be a big concern. The ocean waves to 25 feet, the flash flooding, mudslides, landslides, and those rare spin-off tornadoes. For us, could not be nicer. We have perfect weather today. Generally in the 60s around Philadelphia. We're already 72, though, with all of you in Westchester. We are clear all the way across the Midwest. There is a system coming in out of Wisconsin. So we have high pressure, warm air being pumped in from the south. We're going to be looking at 90s today, awaiting that front. It's a weak front, so we're sunny out there for today. Tonight we're clear. We go into tomorrow. We start with sunshine tomorrow. Clouds start to increase late in the day. It's warm and humid tomorrow. This front comes through, maybe triggering an isolated shower tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. It's gone, and we drop by about 10 degrees once we get into our Tuesday. So for today, we're looking at 90. It will be sunny and warmer. That's above average. 70 tonight, mostly clear and mild. 93 for tomorrow, warm and humid. That is another taste of summer coming back. And then we drop to 82 on Tuesday. 80s for the remainder of the week, with a good chance of showers and storms returning Thursday night, Friday, yes, even Saturday. Howard?
All right. Thank you, Tammy.